If low interest is your top priority, the CommBank Low Rate Credit Card might be worth considering, but is it right for you? Let's go over the key features and what to watch out for. The main selling point of this card is, as the name suggests, a low interest rate on purchases. This is ideal if you sometimes carry a balance month to month. Most people get this wrong. Low rates help reduce interest costs, but they don't eliminate the need to manage your spending carefully. The card offers standard CommBank benefits, including purchase protection, fraud monitoring, and the ability to manage your account by the CommBank app. Payments can be automated, and you can track spending easily. Unlike premium reward cards, this card focuses on keeping costs down rather than earning points. There are no high-value travel perks, but the lower annual fee compared to premium cards makes it more accessible. Eligibility typically requires a good credit score. The application process is straightforward, and existing CommBank customers often get faster approvals. Keep in mind that if you exceed your credit limit or miss payments, you may incur fees, which could offset the low interest advantage. In conclusion, the CommBank Low Rate Credit Card is perfect for those who prioritize lower interest rates over rewards or luxury perks. If your main goal is to reduce finance charges and manage spending wisely, this card can save you money. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and financial tips to help you choose the best card for your needs.